Hello little scientists, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. We see so many shapes around us. In this video, we will explore shapes by performing the Intelli activity, that is, building and understanding 2D shapes. From the Intelli Smart Box, take out the pipes and connectors kit. Take out the pipes and 2 sets of connectors from your pipes and connectors activity kit. Detach the connectors from the ring and keep the pipes aside. Each connector set has a connector ring. 3 1-arm connectors. These are 4 2-arm connectors, out of which the arms of this connector are inclined at 180 degrees, that is, forming a straight angle. The arms of this connector are inclined at 90 degrees, that is, forming a right angle. The arms of these 2 connectors forms an obtuse angle. These are 2 3-arm connectors, 2 4-arm connectors, 2 6-arm connectors, 2 8-arm connectors. Observe that there are pipes of 2 different lengths. These are pipes of category A whose length is 3 units. These are pipes of category B whose length is 4 units. We are going to build a triangular shape. A triangle is a 3-sided closed figure made up of 3 straight line segments. For that, we need 3 pipes of category A whose length is 3 units and 3 6-arm connectors. We will name these pipes as pipe 1, pipe 2, pipe 3. Similarly, we will name these connectors as connector 1, connector 2, connector 3. Join the first connector with the first pipe, like this. Let's join the second pipe with the first connector, like this. Now connect the second connector with any one of the pipe. Like this. We will now connect the third pipe with the second connector. Like this. Lastly, connect the third connector with these 2 pipes. Like this. A triangular shape is ready. Make sure that you connect the 2 pipes with the adjacent arms of the connector. Also, connect the arms of the connectors in such a manner that the pipes do not bend. Observe the number of line segments in this triangular shape, that are 1, 2, 3. A total of 3 line segments. Therefore, a triangle has 3 sides. Now observe the number of corners where the 2 sides meet, that are 1, 2, 3. A total of 3 corners called vertices. Therefore, a triangle has 3 vertices. Note that the number of sides of this triangular shape is equal to the number of pipes used to build this triangular shape, which is 3. The number of vertices is equal to the number of connectors used, which is 3. Let's build another shape, that is a rectangle. To build a rectangular shape, we need 2 pipes of category A whose length is 3 units each. 2 pipes of category B whose length is 4 units each. To connect these pipes, we need 4 connectors such that a pair of their arms is aligned at 90 degrees. Here we have 4 4-arm connectors. These 2 arms are aligned at 90 degrees. Also, we have 4 8-arm connectors. These 2 arms are aligned at 90 degrees. Out of these 8 connectors, we can choose any 4 connectors. In this video, we are choosing 4 4-arm connectors. Connect the pipes and connectors to form a rectangular shape. First, connect one of the pipes of category B with a connector. Like this. Let's connect the second connector at the end of this pipe. Like this. Now connect pipe of category A with one of the connectors like this. We will now connect another pipe of category A parallel to the pipe of category A like this. Connect a connector to one of the parallel pipes like this. Let's connect the remaining pipe of category B parallel to the pipe of category B like this. Lastly, join these 2 ends of the pipes using a connector like this. Our rectangular shape is ready. Observe the number of sides of this rectangular shape. There are 4 pipes used, so a rectangle has 4 sides. The number of connectors used to connect the sides are 4. Therefore, a rectangle has 4 vertices. We hope that you would have understood building 2D shapes. Now let's build a very interesting shape, that is a circle. To build a circular shape, we need 4 pipes of category B whose length is 4 units each. 2 4-arm connectors and 2 2-arm connectors. You can choose any 4 connectors having a pair of arms is inclined at 180 degrees. Now connect all the pipes and connectors such that they form a straight line. Like this. Make sure that you connect those arms of the connectors which are inclined at 180 degrees. Now join these 2 ends by bending the pipes to form a circle like this. Our circle is ready. Observe that it has no line segments, therefore a circle has 0 sides. As there are no corners, therefore the number of vertices or corners in a circle are 0. After doing this activity, you will have gained the expertise in the following concepts: practical formation of 2D shapes, visualizing 2D shapes, understanding the parts of 2D shapes, visualize maths with Alan IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.